Hang on. Hang on. Hi. Say hi, grandmother.
Hi, Grandma.
How you like your truck?
What?
Tell them about your truck.
I really, really, really like it.
Okay, and here it is. Can you make it go? No. There it is. Oh. Okay. There it goes. There it comes. And there he is. Making it go. There it goes. Ah, it goes off to Colleen.
Hi, Grandmother. We love you. We love you so much, and I can't wait to talk to you. I'm going to call you today, and I want to hear your voice, and we are praying for you and sending you so much love. Mwah.
Say bye.
Bye. I love you, Grandmother.
Look at my camera.
I love you, Grandmother.